Are you active in the U.S. military or an honorably discharged veteran? Would you like to learn more about owning your own home with a VA home mortgage with zero money down? In this video, we're going to discuss what you need to know about getting approved for a VA home loan. Hey, it's AJ, NMLS 197455 from American Financial Network Incorporated, corporate NMLS 237341. If you're just joining us on this channel, we discuss all things related to becoming a homeowner, lowering your monthly payments, building equity in your home, investing in real estate, and so much more. So, if you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our videos on new first-time homebuyer programs, investor programs, the housing market, and all other things to assist and inform you in your goals of home ownership. Before we get started, to those of you who are serving or have served, and your loved ones, all of us at American Financial Network Incorporated would like to extend a genuine thank you for your service to our great nation. Your bravery and sacrifices are appreciated more than you know. Now, you've earned your VA benefits, so let's take a look at exactly how you can become a homeowner with a VA home mortgage. A VA loan is a home mortgage that's guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. The VA loan itself is not actually funded by the U.S. government, but it is backed by a government agency, creating less of a risk for mortgage lenders to offer VA loans. This makes it possible to get a VA loan without a down payment, and sometimes the income, asset, and credit requirements can be more flexible, but it still is in the hands of the lender to approve you for your VA mortgage. So, where do you get started? The first thing is you must apply for your certificate of eligibility. You can either do this through your e-benefits portal online, or you can be assisted in applying by a member of our team at American Financial Network Incorporated. Next, what are the VA loan eligibility requirements? I'm going to go over some of the basic requirements to be eligible for a VA mortgage. Again, these are just the basics, but we still have to check your full eligibility before we can proceed with your VA home mortgage. First, you must be currently active in the military, or you must be an honorably discharged veteran. Next, you must have at least 90 consecutive days of active service during wartime, or at least 181 consecutive days of active service during peacetime. If you were in the National Guard or Selective Reserve, you must have more than 6 years of service. Additionally, if your spouse died in the line of duty, you may be eligible for a VA home mortgage. Again, these are just the basic requirements, and it's best to reach out to a member of our team to discuss all details and obtain your certificate of eligibility. There's just a few more quick points I'd like to bring up before we go over exactly how a VA mortgage on a $200,000 home may work for you. First, VA loans are only intended for a primary residence. A VA loan cannot be used for an investment property or vacation home. It can only be used to purchase or refinance to a lower rate on your primary residence. Next, borrowers will need to show they have the income to make mortgage payments as well as their additional debts such as credit cards, car payments, and student loans. Although VA does not have a minimum credit score requirement, most lenders will want to see a credit score of at least 620. Some lenders may accept a credit score as low as 580 with compensating factors. Okay, now that we know all of that, let's see how a VA loan would work on a home with a purchase price of $200,000. Let's say you're pre-approved, you go out looking for homes, and find a home that suits your needs with a purchase price of $200,000. We're going to offer the seller $208,000. Now, you may ask, if the seller only wants $200,000, why are we going to offer $208,000? That's because we're going to ask the seller for an $8,000 seller concession to assist you with your closing costs. Your closing costs will include items such as your title policy and tax and insurance escrows. Your American Financial Network loan originator will discuss your closing costs in greater detail and answer all of your questions. Now, let's assume you meet the eligibility for no money down on your VA mortgage. That'll give you a down payment of $0. If you're using your VA benefit for the first time with no down payment, you'll have an upfront funding fee of 2.3%. In this case, that would make your funding fee $47.84, making your total loan amount $212,784. To calculate your total monthly mortgage payment, let's estimate an interest rate of 3.5 with an APR of 3.875. Remember, interest rates discussed in this video are for informational and educational purposes only, and rates are subject to change. With a loan amount of $212,784 at an estimated interest rate of 3.5 with an APR of 3.875 on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage with 360 total monthly payments, your principal and interest would be $955.50, estimated taxes of $600, estimated homeowners of $75, and there is no monthly mortgage insurance on a VA loan. So That would make your total estimated monthly mortgage payment $1,630.50. Please keep in mind that taxes and insurance are estimates and your total monthly housing obligation may be greater. So let's take a look at what we've accomplished. You're now the proud homeowner of a $208,000 home with zero down payment and a total estimated monthly mortgage payment of $1,630.50, which may be less than the average cost of rent in your area. I really hope the information in this video gave you a better idea of the full VA loan process. Once again, a genuine thank you for your service. And if you're ready to check your eligibility and see if a VA loan can help you become a proud homeowner, reach out to our team at American Financial Network Incorporated to get started today. And if you found the information in this video valuable and helpful and know anyone else looking to become a proud homeowner or possibly save on their monthly mortgage payment, please feel free to hit the share button and help grow the American dream of homeownership. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications to keep up to date on all things going on in the housing market and new and exciting first-time homebuyer and rate reduction programs. American Financial Network Incorporated is an equal opportunity lender.